Because I'm making a video. I'm going to install Leopard on the computer. My sister is with me. So this is extremely easy. As long as you read step 1 on the thing they give you, you're good to go. So everything on this computer is closed. I'm going to go ahead and insert the disk. It goes in. And you follow the on-screen instructions. That's how easy it is. And you can also read the instructions. They give you instructions. Click restart. And now it is restarting. I love that sound. Do you hear that sound when your computer starts? And there it goes. Wow, it took about 2 minutes. 2 minutes of long time waiting. I need to fix the lighting. And this menu comes up. English. Use English for main language, of course. That's selected. Go on to the next step and preparing installation. To set up the installation of Leopard, click Continue. To repair the disk, utility, restore your computer from a time machine backup, or perform other tasks using utilities, choose an option from the utilities menu, and that is right at the top. And you got startup disk, reset password, firmware utility, password utility, disk utility. That's the one I want. You got terminal, system, what is that, profiler, and network. Go to disk utility. And it goes to my hard drive disk. It's taken a bit longer. So I choose my hard drive. I guess it's a 120 gigabytes hard drive. And I go to the erase from this menu over there. And use the default one, Mac OS extended. And just keep the file name United. And I go to erase. Are you sure you want to erase the disk Toshiba, whatever they used? Erasing the disk deletes all data on all its partitions. The disk has one partition and previous owner. Click on that and it's unmounting disk. And disk utility, quit out of it because we're done with it, and continue. And that should install it. You gotta agree to the terms and agreements, the licensed software. You should read all like 50 pages of this. No, I'm just kidding. Well, sometimes you should. And we erased all the hard drive, and it's named its name untitled. I don't know if I'll rename it if I can. Hard drive name doesn't matter to me, so it is installing right now. Or I have to click on the hard drive I want to install it on. And go to install. And it's successful after you wait the 30 minutes. it automatically will restart like it says it's going to do in about 10 seconds. And after that, I guess it's all brand new. We will see. Because this is my first time installing Mac OS space X. Sorry about that. Lighting isn't perfect. This is the light I'm using. I need to get some better lights, but I use what I got. Here's my Apple stickers. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I'm probably going to stick them on my wardrobe, because my wardrobe is like the only thing that I'm going to probably keep for a very long time. So that was a pretty fast boot. And I wonder if they're going to ask me some stuff. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. This is so cool. Be cool if you can like set it to do that every time you turn it on. So that would be cool. You get something cool every time you turn on your computer. So, reset it. I'm in the United States. I use the US keyboard. Do you already own a Mac? No, I don't. Do not transfer my information now. And I go to my internet and enter my password. And there it is. That looks nice. So that has been how you install Mac OS X. So I can go ahead and remove the disk. And I'll end the video here.